How to fix the first Descendant crashing on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you the best method of fixing this issue. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to update your graphic card drivers. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you need to visit to the NVIDIA's official website in order to download and install the latest drivers. If you are using AMD GPUs, then you need to go to the AMD's official website, and from here you just have to download the latest drivers in your device. Then you just have to install the Visual C++ files. So sometimes missing or corrupted Visual C++ files can also cause the crashes. So you can download and install the necessary files from Microsoft's official page. So this is the Microsoft's official page, and from here you can simply download the Visual C++ files. So you need to remember to restart your PC after making these changes. Hopefully this will resolve the crashing issues with the first Descendant. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.